To draw an oak leaf, let's start down here. We'll draw the little stem bit that holds it onto the leaf, and then we're going to come up and around like that, and up and around, up and around, and then into a kind of a blob at the end. And then we want to do the same underneath, so we're going to go down in a blobby bit and round like that, and around like that, and join it up there. Then we want to draw a nice sort of slight gentle curve. Let the pen just flick off the page at the end, and then we're going to want these little kind of flicks here as well. So they're going to come there and there, and there you are, how to draw an oak leaf. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.